Daier 6-way marine rocker switch panel with DIY stickers. Aluminum panel and superior ABS and PC switches make the switch panel more durable and reliable when used. The pre-wired design also makes the panel become easier to install and connect for you. There are total 132 pieces of words and patterns night glow DIY stickers, which not only makes the switches become easy to identify which devices to control, but also makes them become easily being located in the dark. The single light 3-pin rocker switches operate as light on when switch on. Compared with normal dual light switch panels, this single LED light rocker switch panel is less dazzling and energy consumption. For any problems, please do not hesitate to write to us.